Rewarded Play updates can change available games, reward rates, app performance, and even the layout, so the app you used a few months ago may not work exactly the same today. By the end of this video, you'll know what usually changes after an update, what to check first, and how to avoid losing progress or rewards. The biggest change most users notice is the game catalog. Rewarded Play regularly adds new games and removes older ones. If a game disappears after an update, it doesn't automatically mean something is wrong with your account. It usually means the promotion has ended, or new offers have replaced it. Another common change is the rewards screen. Menu locations, redemption options, and account settings can move after an update. Spend a minute exploring the updated interface before assuming a feature has been removed. Many features are simply relocated to a different section of the app. Updates can also affect reward tracking. If you install a recommended game after updating the app, launch it directly through Rewarded Play instead of opening it from your home screen the first time. That gives the app the best chance to connect the installation with your account and track eligible gameplay correctly. Performance improvements are another reason updates are released. If the app feels faster or more stable, that's expected. If it crashes, freezes, or won't open after updating, restart your device first. Then check that you're running the latest version from the official App Store. If the issue continues, clear the app cache if your device allows it, or reinstall the app after confirming your account is linked so you don't risk losing access. Pay attention to permissions after major updates. Some devices reset app permissions during updates. Open your device settings and verify that any permissions required for Rewarded Play to function properly are still enabled. Missing permissions can prevent gameplay from tracking as expected. If you notice lower earnings after an update, compare the current game offers instead of assuming the app reduced every reward. Promotions change regularly, and different games may offer different earning opportunities over time. Checking the newest recommendations often helps you find better options. Here's the bottom line. Updates usually change the game library, interface, and performance more than the core way Rewarded Play works. Explore the updated menus, launch new games through the app, verify your permissions, and keep the latest version installed to avoid common problems. If you're experiencing an issue that started immediately after updating, contact Rewarded Play support with your device information and screenshots of the problem. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other Rewarded Play tutorials and troubleshooting guides.